You can twist the tire to the side, or you can remove the tire. You want to access these screws right here. Use a T20 socket to remove them. On each side, you're going to take a 7mm socket and take these bolts out right here, here, and over here. Take these bolts out right here. Use a 7mm socket. Then you can pull this down, slide it back, and you can access the fog light right here. Disconnect the connector. Just pull on this tab right here. You might need a pick. Just like that. There's 2 tabs. To get the fog light assembly out, there is 2 tabs right here that are holding it on, and there's tabs on the other side as well. Just take a pocket screwdriver, just get underneath one of these tabs, and just put a little pressure, push the fog light towards the back of the vehicle. There we go. And do the same on this other side. You can get under here a little bit with the screwdriver, just pry up and slide it back. That's where the clips are. There's a clip there and a clip there. This one was the hardest one to get off. And then the 2 clips there. And those just snap into here, 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 and here. Take the bulb out of the new one. These are mostly test bulbs. Take your old bulb or buy some new bulbs and reinstall it. And take the light assembly and slide it in position. There is an alignment tab right there. Line that up and lock it down. That's good. Reconnect the connector. Then take this lower cover, line this up, and put these screws back in. And also right there and right there. Tighten those down. And put these screws back in. And tighten them down.